Hi, my name is Dr. Lonnie Herman. I'm the founder of the Quantum Resonant Medicine approach and the Rapid Health Restoration System in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I met Anita 5 years ago, and we've been working on big projects together. Over time, I've gotten to know her quite well, and I must say that she's a brilliant hypnotist and neurolinguistic programming master with great abilities for content creation and coaching. Her quantum goal-setting process is one of a kind, and it was instrumental in helping me reach much higher levels of success. Her expertise was instrumental to creating the majority of my content and branding and putting my unique knowledge in the frame it deserves. And she has an extremely creative mind that enables her to write amazing content and presentations quickly. She was instrumental in taking my business to the next level due to the unique combination of her extraordinary skills and creativity. I consider her one of the best NLP and hypnosis trainers in the world. Her creativity, combined with her skill levels, dedication to what she does, and commitment to excellence are extraordinary. She helped me unlock my own creativity to be able to present it to the world. And if you need any advice with respect to public speaking, presenting, or content creation, there isn't a better one. If you are considering taking NLP or hypnosis training, consider her training. It will be fantastic. So I highly recommend her, and I'm really happy to share my success, which she was a big part of.